Hi there, I'm Rena. I'm your beauty nerd. So you are hanging out here on my channel and I'm so excited to meet you. So what do I do for you? Well, that is one of those fun things. I'm two sides of a coin. So I have lots to offer when it comes to skincare and beauty. And I help you choose what's best for you and your skin. If you've gotten in that routine and you're looking for something a little bit more, or you just need to change because what was working isn't working now, we need to talk. So that's number one. Number two, I also have a fun tech side. I love to break things down, explain them, share them with you. So I have freebies, I have tips, tricks, and I have a few courses that I would love to share with you. So that is what I do. I make tech easy for anyone that is looking to do a little bit more, either personally or professionally. And I'm also your beauty side. So that is why we have the beauty nerd. So I hope you are having a fabulous day and I can't wait to have our first conversation. Have a good one.